Introducing 4SAFECOM's Inspection Management section, your comprehensive solution for streamlining inspections and ensuring workplace safety. Let's explore the Forms Control Panel for easy form submissions. Access preset forms, including daily, weekly, monthly, occurrence, pre-use, and pre-start forms. With 4SAFECOM, completing forms is effortless. Fill in fields, add comments for context, and capture the environment with your device's camera at the click of a button. Our system seamlessly integrates with your camera app, eliminating the need for separate picture taking and uploading. It's a streamlined process that effortlessly attaches all relevant visuals to your form. Effortlessly collaborate with our intuitive task assignment feature. Assign to-do items, set completion dates, and easily manage responsibilities and deadlines for efficient inspections. Ensure accountability with digital signatures. Complete inspections by signing the form at the bottom of the screen, affirming commitment to a comprehensive inspection before submitting. No internet or data connection. No worries. Conduct inspections offline using a hard copy. When you regain internet access, seamlessly upload the form to the 4SAFECOM system. Ensure timely and efficient inspections with our reminders. Our system notifies both the inspector and stakeholders before and after form completion, keeping everyone informed and on track. With 4SAFECOM's Inspection Management section, you have the tools to optimize your inspection process, increase workplace safety, and save valuable time. Experience the convenience, flexibility, and efficiency of our system today.